Please write today's date, -01-2022. Your heading, multiplication, skip a line and rule off. Then write a heading, examples. We are going to do 6 examples, and I'm going to do them step by step. Write number 1 in the margin, skip 1, 2, 3 blocks, and write 69 times 81. Let's get started. Notice that the units are very neatly lined up, and we always start multiplying from the units. So we take this 1 and we multiply it against this unit, and 1 times 9 is 9. I then take the same 1 and I multiply it against the 6, and 1 times 6 is 6. There are no further numbers for the 1 to multiply, so the top line is done. In order to do the second line, notice that there is a 0 that is hiding underneath the 1. That 0 gets placed underneath the 9, and we start again. We take this 8 and we multiply it against that 9, and 8 times 9 is 72. So I put down the 2 of the 72 and I carry. I then take this 8 and I multiply it against the 6 and I add the 7. So 8 times 6 is 48, add 7 and I get 55. There is no other number for the 8 to multiply against, so therefore this line is done, and I simply add. 9 and 0 is 9, 6 and 2 is 8, and that will obviously just be 5 and 5. So your answer is 5,589. You can write number 2, skip 3 blocks, 26 times 42. Again, we're going to start with the 2, and it's going to be multiplied against the 6. And 2 times 6 is 12. So I'm going to put down the 2, and I'm going to carry the 1. Then the 2 is going to be multiplied against this 2 and add that 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, add 1, and you get 5. There are no further numbers for the 2 to multiply, so therefore the top line is done. Now for the second line, but hiding underneath the 2 is a 0, and that goes over there on the second line. I now start with this 4 and I multiply it against that 6, and 4 times 6 is 24, so I put the 4 of 24 and I carry the 2. I then take that 4 and I multiply it against the 2 and I add this 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. There is nothing else for the 4 to be multiplied against, so the second line is done, and all we have to do is add 2, 9, 0 and 1, so the answer is 1092. Skip a line and rule off with a ruler. Write down 3, skip 3 blocks, 221 times 47. I'm going to start with the units. 7 times 1 is 7. Then I'm going to say the same 7 times a 2 is going to give me 14, and I have a carry. And then I'm going to say the same 7 times 2 is 14, plus the 1 is going to give me 15. There are no further numbers for the 7 to multiply against, so therefore that top line is finished. Now we need to start on the second line. But before we start on the second line, there is 0 underneath the 7. Take that 0 and put it here. Cross out all the carries that you've had, and we start again. Now it's going to be 4 multiplied by 1, which is going to give me 4. Now the 4 is going to be multiplied against this 2, giving me 8. And then the 4 is going to be multiplied by this 2, also giving me 8. There are no further digits, so that line is done. What's left to do is add. 7, 8, 13, there's a carry, 8 and 1 is 9, and another 1 is 10. And there you go, that sum is done. Moving on to 4, skip 3 blocks, 204 times 3, 7. Notice the numbers are neatly lined up, and we are going to start with the 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Now the 7 is going to be multiplied against the 0, and 7 times 0 is 0. Add 2, and you have 2. Now, 7 times 2 is 14. There are no further numbers here, so that line is done. Now before we go on to the next number, remember what is hiding underneath the 7, and your carry must be crossed out. So I'm going to cross out the carry, and underneath the 7 here, there is a 0 hiding, so I'm going to write it there. And then I'm going to start over here, my second number for the second line. 3 times 4 is 12, so I put the 2 of 12, and I carry 1. Now I have 3 times 0 is 0, and I add the carry, and I have 1. I now have 3 times 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. There are no further numbers, so I'm going to add 8, 4, 5, and 7. Skip a line and rule off. Skip, write 5, skip 3 blocks, write 4, 3, 0 times 62. So we start with the 2 and we multiply it against the 0. 2 times 0 is 0. I then have 2 times 3 and I get 6. I then have 2 times 4 and I get 8. There is nothing further for the 2 to multiply, so that line is finished. Remember, there is something hiding underneath the 2. Yes, it's a 0. And now we start the next line. And I now say 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. Then I say 6 is multiplied by 3, and I get 18. I then have 6 multiplied by 4 and add the 1. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. There are no further numbers, so we simply add 0, 6, 16, 6, and 2. Now for the last one. Write down 6, skip 3 blocks, and write 7014 times 58. Notice your units are always lined up. And now I'm going to start with the 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Knowing your tables does help. Now the 8 times by 1 is 8. Add 3 and I get 11. Now the 8 is multiplied by the 0, and 8 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Then the 8 will be multiplied by the 7, and 8 times 7 is 56. There are no further numbers, so the top line is done. Now before you start the next line, remember what's hiding underneath the 8 and what you need to do to the carries. Yes, we cross them out. And what's hiding underneath the 8 is a 0. And now we're going to begin. 5 times 4 is 20. So I put the 0 of 20 and I carry the 2. I now have 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. That same 5 is multiplied by 0. And 5 times 0 is 0. And then that same 5 is multiplied by 7, and I get 35. There are no further numbers for the 5 to multiply, so all we have to do is add 2, 1, 8, 6, 10, 4. And our examples are done. Now that we've finished the examples, let's get on with the exercise. Please write down exercise 52 #1, page 104. Skip a line and write 1A. Skip 3 blocks and write 25 times 16. Then in line with A, write B, skip 3 blocks and write 33 times 19. Skip 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and rule off. Skip a line, write C, skip 3 blocks and go 1, 3, 6 times 42. Then go D, skip 3 blocks and go 2, 7, 9 times 5, 6. Skip 3 blocks and rule off. Now write down E, skip 3 blocks, 6, 8, 7 times 62. F, skip 3 blocks, 7, 9, 4 times 80. Right, do these sums, and when you're finished, let's mark together with a green pen. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Cross out the carry. Remember there's a 0 underneath the 6. Starting with the 1 to the 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. And now we add 0, 10, 400. We're going to start here, multiply there. 9 times 3 is 27, put down the 7, carry the 2. 9 times 3 is going to give us 27 plus 2 is 29. Remember to put down the 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we add 7, that should give us 12. Add that, and you're going to get 6. C, we're going to start with the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Put the carry. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the carry is 7. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Cross out the carry. Look for the 0 underneath the 2. Start back in this direction. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Add this 2 to give you 14. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the carry is 5. And now we add. So we get 2, 11. That will give us 7 and 5. 6 times 9 is 54. Then 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Cross out your carry. Look for the 0 underneath the 6. And we start again. 5 times 9 is 45. Carry. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 4 is 39. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. And now we add 4, 12, 16, 5, and 1. E, I'm going to start with 2 times 7, and that's going to give me 14, and I'm going to carry. Then it's 2 times 8, that's 16, plus 1 is 17, carry. And 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Cross out the carries. Then we look for the 0 underneath, and we start back in this direction. 6 times 7 is 42. Place the carry. Now we go 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4 is 52, and then 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 is 41. Now we add 4, 9, 5, 2, and 4. Right, the last one, 0 times 4, 9, or 7. In other words, if there's a 0 in this position, this entire first line is going to be 0. But when we start the next line, we have to put that 0, and then we have to start multiplying from there. 8 times 4 is going to be 32. 7 times 8 is 72, plus 3 is going to give me 75. And then we go there. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 3 is 63. And well, basically there's nothing to add. I'm just going to go through the motions with this one. And there we go, we're done.